Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. This is part 2 of Selenium with C Sharp using Microsoft Test Framework series. So in this video we are doing the assertion or how to work with assertion in MS Test Framework. So let's move to Visual Studio. So this is the same project we were used in the part 1, and we are uh, continuing using this project. So in continuity, for assertion we need to have assert class, assert dot are equal. So as you can see, there are 18 overloads present of different types. So we will use the basic one, in which the actual and expected result will be compared. So the assert uh, are having different type of method, like are equal, are not equal, are not same, are same, fail, inconclusive, is false, is null, is true, and some others. But we are using are equal. Are equal is used to compare two objects or two strings or two elements. So let's move to the website. So for the validation or assertion of the successful login, so here I have some option, like I can choose this welcome message, or I can use the hello username as well. Also I can assert using the URL as well, but I'm going to use this welcome message. So I'm just right click in this message and inspect. So here you can see the class name of message is welcome underscore menu. I am just copy this class name. So here I need to first get the message, find element by id, but we select the class name, so we put class name here. We are going to again copy, inspect, and welcome.menu. So I have put welcome.menu here. Now I am going to get this message present in the uh, welcome menu. So it is giving me error because it is returning a string and I am not collecting those string. So I am going to create a string type variable having name the actual text is equal to, so it will get the welcome message and save it to actual text. So expected and actual, so I am going to put actual text here, and for expected I will use, I copied from browser, just put it here. So the assertion is done. Let's repeat what I had done. So here as you can see, I had created a variable of type string, and I am calling the welcome menu text, and by using text I get the message or the text present in the welcome menu and it will eventually save in the actual text variable. And I'm comparing by using assert.r equal method. So this is my expected text, and in the actual text is captured at the runtime, and it will compare both messages. If those uh, two texts are equal, then test case will pass. If those two texts are not equal, then it will fail our test case. And also we can also provide the error messages in case of failure. If those first and second parameter are not equal, then it will give an error messages like uh, login is not performed and assertion fail, login is not performed. So let's execute this test case. So test case is pass. It's mean all steps are executed successfully. So this is the assertion. So it's all for the part 2, and we will meet in the next video. So Allah Hafiz.